Just something to plant in your fall or in your garden for the summer, and you get double duty out of it. You not only get herbs, because this is chocolate basil. You see how the bees are just all over it. Don't see a single one with pollen getting anything from it other than nectar. This is a volunteer that came up on the patio. That's the original one from a couple years ago. You can see all the bees on it. There's the other original one. One that's fallen over. This chocolate basil has a taste of a little bit of a chocolatey flavor to the basil flavor. Use it in cooking. You can just eat it. I come by and pull a leaf or two every once in a while and just eat it during the day.
Pesto.
Make, as my wife just said, you can make basil pesto. You can make oxmeals. You can make tinctures. Make all kinds of things with this stuff. But once it starts blooming, the bees love it. As you can see, they're all over it. It's just something to think about for dual duty. Makes you healthy and helps the bees out in the fall. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees.